how are you guys? Please help me to share and like this video. So I want to do this second solution of this question. So the second solution gives us that 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 1 divided by 125. So with this, what we are going to do is to change it in form of power and base. So we now have 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 125 raised to power minus 1. Now, we are going to find a way. We have the base of 5 here and we have the base of 125. So we are going to look for a way. We are going to change this 125 in form of base. So we are looking to how many places we are going to multiply 5 that will give us 125. And we have 3. So that is 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 5 times 5, 25 times 2. 5 times 2, 10, and we have 125. So you have 5 raised to power 3. So you have 5 raised to power 2x is equals to 5 raised to power 3, then raised to power minus 1. So from one of the law of indices, so we deal with this one, that is 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 5 raised to power 3 times minus 1. We have minus 3. So we have 5 raised to power 2x is equal to 5 raised to power minus 3. So since we have the same base, we are going to do the same thing. Equate the indices. So by doing that, we have 2x is equal to minus 3. So therefore, we have x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So we have x is equal to minus 1 over 1 over 2. So the value of x is minus 1 over 1 over 2. So thank you very much, and don't forget to reach out to me if you have any problem on mathematics or physics. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share the video. See you in the next one.